Hey, automation enthusiasts, this is John Strauman from Microsoft's Mighty South region. Today, we're going to look at a solution that demonstrates the value of the One Microsoft platform, in that we're going to see a Microsoft Dynamics sales business process flow kickoff and automation. So the business use case is that a customer has asked for a credit approval and they're going to request a credit line, and the Power Automate flow is going to be kicked off when the business process flow that we see across the top here moves to the award stage. And so this presents a lot of value for our customers, and that business process flows can be used to be sure that customers' employees are adhering to their sales best practices. It ensures standards across the organization and makes sure that all employees are following the same sales processes that our customers know contribute to success. So as I mentioned, in this case, the automation is going to be kicked off automatically when the business process flow moves to the award stage. We'll take a quick look at the automation flow. So we just have it set so that when a record is updated, and we've asked it to look at that business process flow, and it's going to check if the stage is award, as we see here, and if so, it'll continue. And we've got quite a few conditions here. What this says is if the customer already has credit, do nothing. If it doesn't, then what we've done is we've set up an approval. So this, again, is an out-of-the-box feature of the Microsoft Power Platform, and it's going to set up a credit request and an approval request that will go to our demo user, who's Alan Steiner. And when Alan approves that, then the Power Automate flow will update the record in Dynamics CRM. So if we look at that, we just put it under General here, and there's just a whole bunch of fields. We kept it pretty simple, and it just says AB credit or AB credit requested or AL credit. What's the credit limit? When was the credit approved? Was it approved by Dun and Bradstreet, which is part of the process flow that we see here? And so let's just see this run. We'll go back to our Power Automate and we click test. Now, for purposes of this video, I just set this to the test variable here because I want it to run instantaneously. It will run automatically, but it can take a few seconds to run. So just to be sure that it runs right away for this video, I just click test manually. And so now I go back to my opportunity and I click my business process flow and say next stage. And so now we shall see the automation start to run. And we see the green check marks, meaning that the automation is proceeding through the steps. And we should get an email for Alan Steiner any minute now. Okay, so there's my email. We see that our test opportunity has requested a $5 million AB credit line. I'm going to say approve, and if I wanted to, I can enter some comments. I say submit. And now Power Automate is processing that approval. And we go back to our flow, and we should get another green check mark. And now when we go back to opportunity, we click refresh, and we should see all of those fields have updated. Go to general. And we see, okay, so we see that AB credit has been selected as yes by the automation, the date requested, the credit limit. We see that Dun and Bradstreet approved has been marked yes, and that the credit type has been set to AB. So what we saw here is a combination of the Microsoft Power Platform with business process flows in Dynamics CRM getting together to provide a great solution for our customers to ensure that a credit application can be automatically processed. There's no chance of data entry errors or a customer's application getting lost, because the Power Automate process flow takes care of all of the backward steps. And all that our customer has to do is go in and improve the request in email, which every customer knows very well, and the automation takes care of the rest. So this provides tremendous business value for our customers. And thank you for your time today, and we'll see you at the next video.